No way.
I cannot believe this.
Nope.
The Mitchells live and breathe Detroit. They have 2 businesses here, and their house is a piece of history. They've added some modern touches, so that all ends at the porch's edge. And that's where I come in.
I'm Adar Kirkham, and I am going to reimagine one room in your home. I'm going to thrift, paint, and repurpose what you got with $1,500 and 24 hours. Let's go.
My name's Daway Mitchell.
I am Brandy Mitchell.
I have a Detroit-based business, black bottom dumpster and debris removal.
So our kids are in Detroit public schools. We live in a Detroit home. We're very Detroit.
Some of the things we did to the house when we moved in, we redid the floors, got rid of some carpet, tear out a couple walls, got to the porch and ran out of gas.
The history in this house, you just feel it when you walk in.
My grandfather was the first Black man to own this home. In 1968, the original deed still said that African Americans weren't allowed to buy. That's why we have this up here just as history and just to always remember. It's really not that far removed.
Can we talk about the porch?
We've been saying every year, like this year, we're gonna get the porch together. And then
What do you have in mind?
my vision really would be to be able to go out there when it's raining and read a book.
More lounge.
Loungy. We want it to be a space that we used. And, you know, well, he barbecues a lot.
Okay.
You know, but
I don't barbecue.
oh, I'm sorry. He smokes.
Okay. Any must-haves? Colors?
The turquoise,
Gotta
that's
go?
the absolute no.
Okay.
We do like black a lot, but we have a lot of black. So if you think we're overdoing the black,
Never overdoing the black. Do you have any pieces of furniture that we could use?
yeah, whatever you see.
Whatever I see.
Let us know.
Okay.
Well, you know, Adar has a funky style to her, you know? I'm actually very curious to see what she can do with 24 hours and $1,500.
This is the porch. It's quite the before. It's gonna be a great after. This room, first and foremost, is cleaning. I want to paint the ceiling black. This wall next to the door here, I'd like to paint black. And all of the teal brick columns, black on black on black, with pops of color, of course. I want them to have an area where they lounge. So I saw a coffee table, a wrought iron bench that I think I could use. Since Daway does a lot of outdoor cooking and they like to entertain, I think we need to source a table. Maybe we can use these stools that are already in here, give them a little pop of color, but a functional area where there's more of a dining experience on the back half. We'll do plants everywhere in here because it's outside. We'll add a new light fixture here, and we'll throw a huge rug that has a really big impact and kind of can separate the 2 areas, but yet bring them together at the same time. So let's get to work. Cleaning is first. We gotta get cleaning. Pass me that broom. So much for my crisp white sneakers. This is a coffee table that they had in the house that can use a little love. I thought it'd be really fun to celebrate when her family was able to buy this house by spelling out 1968 on the table with these penny tiles. We just got all of our numbers situated. And once I have all of the white penny tiles in place, I'll then cut out these numbers that we put together, and the numbers are gonna be in black. I chose to use penny tiles because it's classic, just because of its historic value. It just feels like it fits. Still stays in theme with black and white and the colors that they like in their home. We're about to start cutting the numbers. What number was this supposed to be? I'm not even sure what it looks like. Look like a 9 to you, or a 6? You're upside down right now. Is this a 6 or a 9? I don't remember how this was. Something like that? Okay, we mastered it. I'm going to have to lift up each section of the tile and do a glue. And then we'll start to grout, which is the fun part. Crowd cheers. Yay! It's time for some grouts. Definitely gets me in a dessert state of mind. I can watch this all day. So this is the wrought iron bench that we found. I'm going to spray it in black. You can never go wrong with using black for wrought iron. Keeps the classic antique kind of touches, but makes it feel like it belongs in this decade. Everything in this room is gonna be black and white, but I really wanted to give a pop of color. Let's try like a chartreuse color. On their 4 stools that they had, I'm feeling like I'm gonna need primer on this.
Yeah, you should prime it.
Darn it. We just have, what, 18 hours left? Angie and I are now racing, and I'm winning. Champion.
There's still so much brown chair.
Where? Now that our stools are primed, we're gonna spray. This is gonna bring some pops of color to the space. Everything else is pretty much gonna be black, white, neutrals, but this will be the only kind of vibrant color. We might throw some metallic. I love that we're doing the doors gold. They're originally gonna be black, but once the whole room was painted black, I was like, we gotta do something different. So gold was the obvious choice for me. I really wanted it to be a black and white neutral zone with pops of color, and then the metallic doors are just super fun. We're down to the wire here. We have a few more pieces to kind of bring into the mix just to stage it and all that jazz. Yes, this is like French bistro style. It's an indoor-outdoor kind of space, so we have to add some plants. These are real and they're fabulous. We're gonna hang these from, could be, ooh, there's another one. I feel like I'm in a forest now. This is great. I found this oversized lantern that I wanted to hang from the ceiling, but it's a little too big. So how fun would this be? Here in the corner, I'm loading it with all the extra plants. It's just a fun way to reuse a lantern and turn it into a floor statement piece. All about greenery in this room. This table turned out lovely. I don't think they're gonna think it's even their coffee table that we found in their home, but the 1968 plays really well. The wood trim looks really nice. I love the natural look. Ties in with the cool legs that they already had. It's a classic look. These doors, I love all the drips and the dents and the wear and tear. There's a nail sticking out right here. It's great. I love how it looks, and it really feels like a place that you can read a book. I would read a book here. All right, last touches are in. I threw some last-minute touches on this little bookshelf over here. We got a stand for our little solarium setup. It feels so comfortable in here and so inviting, and I hope they can feel it when they walk in. Okay, here we go. Open it up.
Oh my God.
No way.
I cannot believe this.
Nope.
I cannot believe this.
Look
is
at this.
Amazing.
That's the table? I'm gonna be honest, I did not expect this.
Let me shut these doors for you.
Oh, I didn't see the
Fun
gold
little gold door,
Yes.
you know? It brings all the character, the old doors.
I love this.
This is all of your stuff, right? So this is your bench that we
Yes.
found in the backyard.
Yep,
We
yep.
sprayed it black. Those are your stools.
I got those out of one of my dumpsters. I said, these could be something one day.
I love that. Fun fact, all of these pieces that are in here are from the dumpster. Somebody was throwing this out. This is the poster child of reusing furniture. Do we remember what it looked like before?
I don't want to, but I do.
The room absolutely matches the house perfect.
Can you see yourself reading here, right? You talked about that reading nook.
I can.
You're cooking outside.
No, I'm over there dancing.
I'll take that. To do a space for a family that has passed this home on from generation to generation, it makes it that much more special for me.
Our kids are gonna flip out.
Wow! Oh snap, this is mine. No, this is mine right here. Now I found my new spot.
This is your new spot?
Yep. Yep.
Favorite part of the room is everything that I've got out of a dumpster. And I see it looking fabulous.